OnStar safety services can be with you on the go. The OnStar Guardian app is available on compatible smartphones and provides members and up to 7 of their loved ones access to OnStar safety services. From the app, you are just one tap away from roadside assistance, emergency services, and location status. The app is designed to use your smartphone's sensors to detect a crash and alert an OnStar emergency advisor. If the app detects a crash, an emergency advisor will call you and can contact first responders, providing them with your location. You can request help via the app in case you're locked out of your vehicle, if you've run out of fuel, or you have a flat tire or a dead battery. In case of an emergency, OnStar emergency advisors are available 24/7. Simply push the red emergency button in the app to connect to an OnStar advisor for assistance. Guardian app users can invite up to 7 loved ones to the same account at no additional cost. Once the app is installed and setup is complete, you'll be able to see the real-time location of everyone in your network on a live map, share and save locations, and get notifications when they arrive at or depart from their destination, in or out of their vehicle. To get started, you'll need to download the app to your compatible smartphone and set up an account. If you already have an OnStar or available My GMC mobile app account, you should log in using the same credentials. If you don't have an eligible OnStar plan, you can select an offer or plan within the Guardian app. Then, verify your phone number by entering the code sent via SMS. Enter your address information, then accept the app permissions. To add up to 7 loved ones, invite them to join your My Family group in the app. From the app menu, tap My Family to open the My Family screen. Invite a new member by tapping the Add New Member icon in the upper right corner. This will display your unique My Family code. Once your family member sets up the app on their device and creates an account, they can tap Join with Code on the account creation page of the app. After entering your unique My Family code here, the member will have access to all the same app benefits and family location information. The OnStar Guardian app. Safety that stays with you wherever you're headed next.